Ghostek, a company who has its name established in smartphone cases and accessories, sent out their whole lineup of cases for iPhone 12 to provide my unbiased opinion, and in today's video I'm going to do a quick demo and review of each of their cases, starting from the cheapest to their most expensive cases. Guys, you're watching VidsTube, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here's where I review smartphones, smartwatches and their accessories like these cases, so if you're into all that kind of stuff, you must consider subscribing. Plus, I do giveaways quite often on this channel, and today I'm going to give away one of this case for iPhone 12 mini to one lucky winner. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment down below your favorite case with your country and region. Unfortunately, this giveaway is for North American fans only due to shipping limitations on my end. So good luck. In about a week from now, I'll pick a winner and announce it on VidsTube social media account, linked in the video description, which you guys must follow for regular awesome content over there. If you don't win the giveaway, I have attached direct link to these cases in the video description. Let's start with their most economical case lineup called Covert, with R2X impact technology and 2X military grade drop tested. For those whom it matters, Ghostek is pretty good with overall unboxing experience. So the key feature of this Covert case are, it has a kickstand with clear transparent back, diamond grip with raised camera lip, precise cutout and slim fit. Let's go ahead and open up the case. Covert case will cost $14.98 US, shipping and taxes excluded. But do check out the links in the video description for any discounts. Covert cases comes in clear, pink and smoke color option. For this video, I have the pink color. Let's see the installation process. Ghostek lists the drop resistance of this case to 8 feet. So as you can see, it ain't hard to install. The screen and the camera bump are raised enough that a fall wouldn't affect. The cutouts are wide enough for a bulky charger to fit in. Buttons give a very nice satisfying click. The kickstand is magnetic and has a spring mechanism. The kickstand only works in a horizontal position. It's not strong enough for a vertical position, but it feels quite robust and it's good to have. Lastly, this case does work with wireless charging. Okay, now let's talk about their Iron Armor series. It is also 2X military grade drop tested, and the key feature of this case are, it has a holster with kickstand, it has a slot for one ID card or a credit card with multiple layers, non-slip grip with raised camera lip, swivel belt clip and slim fit with precise cutouts. So this case comes in matte black color and it's listed for $24.98 US. Inside the box there is a swivel belt clip holster, which is quite industrial and made of heavy duty polycarbonate and thermoplastics. The swivel mechanism is quite robust and seems like it won't get flimsy over time. The clip can open wide enough to accommodate any sort of clothing. There is a swing out support that would make this holster as a kickstand, which is ingenious. And you can set it up at multiple angles. There is a tempered glass screen protector with curved edges. Finally, there is the case itself. Let's go ahead and slide the iPhone inside it. The installation process is again super easy, and the screen as well as the camera bump are raised enough to protect them from a fall. Speaking of fall, Ghostek has listed the drop resistance of this particular case to 12 feet. Let's see if it can accommodate my credit card. By the way, this is a unique Tim Hortons credit card that has LED lights on it. Comment down below if you have one like this. So I find that sliding the credit card inside was super easy, but I had to use my nails to pull it out. I really wish it was a bit easier. The cutouts are wide open and precise. But with this case on, the wireless charging did not work, which does make sense due to the thickness. Moving on, next one, it's the EXEC case, which has a 4-card detachable wallet. This case is also 2X military grade drop tested, which is listed for drop resistance of 8 feet. Features of this case are multi-attachment wallet system with multiple layers, raised camera lip with magnetic mount and wireless charge compatible non-slip grip with precise cutout, So this case comes in black, gray and pink. I personally like the gray color. And the EXEC series cases are listed for $29.98 US. Let's slide the phone inside. So the display and the camera bump is raised enough to protect them from a fall. The buttons are nice and clicky. There is a textured surface on the side for a non-slip grip. The wallet is super easy to slide in and out. There is a latch to hold the wallet securely in the place, so you have to align it appropriately. The wallet has a leather on top and does give a premium feel. This wallet is listed for 4 cards, but I wasn't able to fit 4 credit cards, which makes sense as the credit cards have embossed number, giving it a bulk. But from my testing, you can easily fit 2 credit cards and maybe 4 cards without any embossed numbers or letters. Taking out the cards was super easy. So I personally like this wallet. Now the case has an integrated magnet for magnetic car mounts, but you have to take off the wallet. This case is wireless charge compatible provided the wallet is off the case. I did test the wide angle camera for my iPhone with the cards inside the wallet and the view is not obstructed. Next on the list is their Atomic Slim case, which has R7X shock absorbing technology and it's 12 feet drop tested. The features of this case are it's multi-layered with wireless charge compatible non-slip grip with raised camera lip, aluminum alloy frame with precise fit and cutouts. This case comes in 3 colors. The one I have is pink, but you can also get black and red. The Atomic Slim cases are listed for $39.98 US. Just holding this case, it does give a premium feel. Let's slide the phone inside the case. Application process for all the cases up until now was super easy. The screen and the camera bump are raised enough to protect them from a fall. The buttons are nice and clicky and the cutouts are precise and wide enough. Even though the case is made of aluminum, there is enough grip on the side for a secure grip. The case does preserve the look of the iPhone as the back is transparent, and since the back is transparent, wireless charging ain't no issue here. The last and the most expensive case is the Nautical, which is IP68 waterproof up to 20 feet for 1 hour as per their testing. The features of this case are its extreme water, weather, dust and drop protection, non-slip hexagon grip with raised camera lip, watertight seal around the ports and slim precise fit. So this case comes in black and a clear option. This Nautical case will cost you $49.98 US. Now inside the case there are multiple parts that includes the back cover, a lanyard, wet and dry wipes, some stickers. You must do a waterproof test without inserting the phone and dip it in water for 10 minutes to see if there are any leaks. If there is a leak, Ghostek is very good at customer support. Contact them and they will help you out. For application, you have to insert the phone screen facing down and apply the back cover in an appropriate manner along the edges and make sure there are no gaps around the edges. Now let's test out the speaker quality to see if it sounds muffled. The discount code. As you're watching VidStube and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here's where I review smartwatches, smartphones and all sorts of... And it does sound a little bit muffled and echoey, but it's directly proportional to the amount of air left inside the case. The audio call quality is also slightly affected. What is not affected is the wireless charging. Kudos to that. The button feels nice and clicky. The charging cable seal port is also quite robust and adequately wide enough. One caution here is that if you use your nail to access the ring silent switch quite often, you might damage the sealing. Let's test out the camera, and the view is not interrupted at all despite of the camera having another layer of plastic on top of it. Overall, this nautical case is very versatile. A tip to take off this case is to start from the provided notch on the bottom left corner at the back and work your way around. So here's my final verdict. I am really impressed with the overall quality of all these Ghostek cases. They are priced quite right. I have reviewed a whole bunch of cases on this channel ranging from cheap to very expensive, and to be honest, it feels like they are priced less for the overall quality, but that's good for consumer. All their cases have a lifetime warranty and Ghostek support is great. So I'll certainly recommend Ghostek cases to anyone as they have a wide variety to fulfill all your needs. For me, waterproofing is not something that I need on regular basis, but I would rather have the ability to add an ID card or a credit card. So I personally like the EXEC case, but let me know which one is your favorite, and don't forget to enter the giveaway by subscribing, giving this video a like, and comment down your favorite case with your country and location. Also follow me on my other social media network as I have quite a few giveaways coming up and I don't want you to miss out on. Thanks so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, check out these videos as you will find them enticing.